driveway slope and drainage must move water away from the garage and living areas to prevent ponding and ice. For house construction, we follow a simple thumb rule. Slope away from the garage between 1/8 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch per foot to carry surface runoff without creating steep grades. Start at the garage threshold and measure down the length of the drive using a string line and a straight edge or a long level to establish consistent fall, transferring heights with a carpenter's level or laser level for accuracy. Where drives meet low spots or gutters, install low spot drains or area drains tied to a pipe that discharges to a safe outlet or infiltration zone. Keep pipe runs short and use solid pipe under pavement, perforated with gravel beds where infiltration is allowed. Avoid exceeding a 10% grade because steeper slopes increase braking distances in winter and present accessibility issues. If a steeper driveway is unavoidable, break the run with a flatter landing or textured surface to improve traction. Check local stormwater rules early so you can plan for infiltration trenches, curb cuts, or storm sewer connections rather than trying to retrofit later. Sizing of infiltration requires soil percolation information and an allowance for seasonal high water. During construction, compacted subgrade and consistent pavement thickness matter because uneven compaction causes localized ponding even when overall slope is correct. Common mistakes are building the drive with insufficient fall and then seeing water collect at the garage threshold, which you fix by re-establishing the profile and adding a shallow channel drain or low spot drain tied to an outlet. Another issue is creating too steep a drive to meet lot constraints, which causes safety and winter performance problems. Mitigate that by adding a mid-drive landing or textured paving and re-evaluating grade transitions. A third concern is relying solely on surface conveyance without planning where runoff will go, which leads to downstream erosion or code violations. Provide an infiltration trench, a curb cut to a planted swale, or an approved storm connection sized per local rules. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who do driveway grading, drainage, and stormwater work, and helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for those services. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experience, ask questions, and post project photos to learn practical approaches for preventing ponding and ice on driveways.